Something a bit different today. My leisure battery out of my camper is knackered. Over winter it's run down to nothing, which is not good. I mean, you can get an example here. This thing is showing 3 volts. Let's try it again. Currently it's showing 12 volts, but in the van I'm getting like a red symbol to show that the battery is virtually flat because it's only just about running 12. And I don't think, the split charger, which is working, is giving it enough of a boost. We're just doing local runarounds. So to be on the safe side, I bought a new charger. Now this was bought to go in the back of the van to charge the battery when it's on hookup. Unfortunately, it's got a bit of a problem with it, in which it constantly draws power from the battery to tell you what stage the battery's at. I will be using it, but part of this, it's got a repair function. So I think what I'm going to do is run it on a repair, which takes 16 hours, just to see if we can repair this and give it and see if it makes any sort of improvement. Because at the moment, putting the lights on in the van is just killing it pretty quick. So I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to put this on. It's telling me it's doing a repair, so it's going to do a check on it, which might take a while. But so this is going to take about 16 hours to go through, and then we'll see what improvements it makes on this, because I could do with this at weekend because I'm off to Three Sisters. I'm in the camper. I'd like to have the fridge running. So yeah, we'll leave it on overnight, check it in the morning, and I'll give you an update of if this helps. So this was a batch, it's only 6 months old, so fingers crossed it does the job. Okay, so we're a day later. It's been about 18 hours just coming to the shed to check on it, and it's ended. So let's disconnect this. Again, just taking this off, so let's just see what the voltage are running at. Positive, negative. Maybe 13 volts. What I might do is just leave that until tonight, give it another 4 hours and see if the voltage drops off. But failing that, it looks like it might be successful. That was about 18 hours to do the battery repair. So hopefully this thing will now comfortably charge. Okay, so I've left this battery standing for about 4 hours. Let's see. The voltage just dropped. Was it about 12.9? No, that was good to me. Right, let's get this in the van. So there's the battery back in the van. And got another problem now. There was 2, 1, then red. I think there's a problem with this. Not giving me a true representation. Because the batteries are fully charged. And the battery's still got a 12.8 voltage on it. So, yeah, I don't think it's the battery. I think there's something wrong with this, so I might look at getting a replacement of this as well. Either way, it's good to know that the fridge works. So, quick update. We've run the van to Three Sisters and had the fridge running all day. And this thing seems to have stabilised itself. So, it's only one light because I say it's been running for 6 hours. So, that's pretty good. I'm quite happy with that. So, no need to change this, I don't think. Yeah, cool. One more job fix on the van. Just like and subscribe. Cheers.